Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to open up Peacock on your Apple TV. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who are subscribed to Peacock and also have an Apple TV. How do you watch Peacock TV series and movies on your Apple TV? Either way guys, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But first you need to install Peacock, and the way to do that is that you're going to click on the App Store, and then from here you could actually search for Peacock. So if you start typing in P, it should auto-populate towards the bottom. So here we have Peacock. Just click on Peacock, and then on this window here you'll be able to install Peacock on your Apple TV. And then once it's installed, Peacock is now going to be one of the default icons on your Apple TV's homepage. So you can just click on Peacock and then it'll open up. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and open up Peacock on your Apple TV. But if you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. But thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.